Hey everyone, my name is Ann Heath. I am a customer service support specialist here at PastorsLine, and today I have the creator of PastorsLine, Jason Alexis, with me. Jason, how are you doing today?
Wonderful. I am really excited to talk about our latest feature, Real Video Attachments.
Yes, that's definitely something we're excited to announce and talk about today. For those that don't know, you can already send videos using attachments or by sending links. But Jason, can you explain the difference between this new feature versus what we already offered?
Yes, sure. Sending video via links is something that we had offered for a number of years. We have an add attachment feature where you can send different file types that include videos, PDFs, Word docs, Keynotes files, etc. We actually host those files for you for free, and we shorten the file once you insert it so you can include it in your text message. So that's something that we have always offered. When sending video via links, there are three issues that we see. Number one, it doesn't always show the preview of that video, and the person may be hesitant to kind of click on that, right? So people don't like clicking on unknown links. We see that a lot, and if they don't see what it is, they may be hesitant. Depending on your carrier operating system, especially on the iPhone, they you would have to have the contact save in your phone in order to show a preview option, and then you have to tap to load the preview. Then you would see the video, and then you have to tap to play. Which brings us to another challenge: is that when you have that link, the person is required to obviously have data in order to play that particular video. So if the person is in a location that they don't have access to data, or their internet has been reduced speed and it takes long to load because they'll have to click, let it play, let it preview. It doesn't create the best experience, especially for certain case scenario. And if they don't know who you are, it's a new guest or somebody you have not messaged before from that number. Overall, it creates not the best experience in all cases. Now, look, we are not saying that sending video file types via links is dead. We're not saying it's a bad practice. We're just saying in some cases it isn't the best. And that's where real video attachment comes in. You in PastorsLine, you can record or upload a real video file, attach it as a real attachment to the message. It's not a link. So it comes and it's playable, it can be saved and downloadable right from the messenger that a person receives it. What we find that this reduces the momentum for someone to not only open your text, but to click and play, and you can get the message right across. So Anne, let's actually show them what we mean and how this is done.
Yeah, let me just share my screen. So first I wanted to show you through our mobile app how you can add attachments. So if you see this icon down here and click on that, you can see all the other options that we have. So we have the Add Video Beta, which is the new feature. I'll show you that here in just a second. But if you can see this right here, we have this Add Attachment. And with that, you can select different types of files if you wanted to upload them. So you can either from your phone, you can do a video or a picture from your photo library. You can take a new photo or record a new video. Or if you have a file like a PDF or Excel sheet, something like that, you can choose a file and upload that as well. And what happens is it converts to a link, and they're able to send it as a link. And when they receive that link and click on it, it opens it up in that correct file format. So also what you can do is you can copy and paste a link to a video like a YouTube link. Now, as Jason mentioned, one of the issues with that is that if you don't have the contact saved, you're not going to see that video preview, and so they're not going to know what that link is, and they might be hesitant to click on that. So let me show you that really quick, what that would look like for a contact that has not saved your phone number as a contact in their own phone yet. So here you can see, do you see where it says tap to load preview? And all you can see is this YouTube link. So it's not really clear on what it is that they're about to click on and open up and watch, so they may just ignore it. Now, if I tap on it, it will load that preview, right? And now I know what the video is about. So now let me show you how you can use our new feature and record and attach a video to a text message. So again, in the PastorsLine app, I'm going to click that little plus icon. Now I'm going to choose Add Video. And I have similar options as to uploading a file. So I can choose from my photo library if I already have a video that is pre-recorded, or I can take it live. I can choose to take the photo or the video right now, or I can choose a file if I've already saved it and saved it as a file on my phone. Let me choose to record the video. I'm going to switch to video. Hi, this is Ann. Just wanted to send you a quick video, welcome you to our church, and let you know that we're praying for you. Now I can choose to use this video and then upload it. Write a quick little message and then I can send. Okay, and now let's check out the message that I just received. And see, you can see it's a thumbnail. It's not a link. I don't have to click on it to preview what the video is about. I can just play it right from my phone. Hi, this is... You can also save it. I have this little download option to the right of the video. Or I could do all of the other options where you do more and you can forward all of those different things. All right, so now let's move on over to the desktop. The same icon that you saw in the mobile app is in the desktop. You click that and you can do the add video just the same as the mobile app. And it's going to take you right into the record option. And I would just click record and record my video, click stop, and then it would insert into that message. But another thing you can do is if you have a file already on your computer that you want to just upload, you can click that option, find the file, open it, and then click upload. All right, so after that is done processing, if your video is too large or if it's over that 25-second limit, you will get the opportunity to either attach the video as a URL, and it will do what I showed you as far as adding attachments, where it turns it into a link, and then when they click on the link, it opens it up as the right file type. Or you can actually trim your video. So I'm going to show you how to trim it. This is a very long, it's 2.5 minutes long. So I'm going to just drag this all the way to the 25-second mark, click trim. You'll now see that it is the 25 seconds. If I wanted to preview it, I can do that. So now I'm just going to click attach video. You'll see it as a thumbnail right there. Type in your message. And then click send. You can see here, just like the previous message, there is that message where I can play it right from my phone. And it's in that thumbnail form. So as you can see, you can send video attachments anytime from anywhere using either your desktop or our mobile app. Jason, can you talk to us about what the details or limitations with real video attachments are?
Yeah, sure. Look, as I mentioned before, it doesn't replace sending videos via links, because one of the challenges is that you are limited to 25 seconds. So if you record or upload a file that is greater than 25 seconds, no worries. We have an option to trim that video down to the required size. Or you can also insert that video in its entirety as a link. So those are just some of the options that you have. The other limit is that the file size for that video needs to be 1 megabyte if it's on a local number, or even less than that if it's a toll-free or a short code. So you do have a limit to the size, which we resize for you. Hence, you cannot really send the highest resolution video attachments. But what we see is that less is sometimes more. And if you are trying to communicate a brief message, I think it's a really, really good option. The other thing is, if you are a current client and you have the old app, you would need to download the latest app from the app stores. So, Anne, what are some ways that we have seen churches using this? So what are some ways that churches can use this new video feature?
Oh gosh, so you could use this within your guest follow-up process, your new guest welcome campaigns. You could record a video and pray for somebody personally. You could send happy birthday or happy anniversary messages. You can send scheduled messages that include a video either to a single person or to a group. And you can use them with repeating messages too. So reminders, or if there's a message that you need to send out every month or every week. So as you can imagine, there are definitely a lot of different ways that you can integrate video messages into your flow. Jason, what are the costs to use this feature?
The feature itself is absolutely free. We handle hosting for you. It's enabled across all accounts. What you do pay is it's treated as a multimedia message, which is something that we have had before. So it's treated as a picture message, and each picture message is 2 credits per person per message. So the same thing with videos, 2 credits for each video attachment. The good thing with this, however, a multimedia message, you can write up to 1,600 characters. So that means about 10 text length without paying anything additional. So if you wanted to include a longer text in a multimedia message, like a video message, you can without paying more than 2 credits. If it's a local number, if it's a toll-free, it's just an additional half a credit or 2.5 credits for toll-free numbers.
Jason, tell us what's coming up next with these real video attachments.
Yes, I'm excited about that. Currently, we would continue to take feedback from our current clients and those who are using the feature, if there's any ways to improve, which is actually already in progress. Additionally, we are working on a library option. So as you upload different videos, you'll be able to see it in a library, and you can reuse those for different messages as you go. Additionally, we are working on templates having the video feature. So templates, currently, you can save and create message templates with picture attachments, plus other things like links, but the video option is not there yet, but that's upcoming. And finally, the ability to use real video attachments inside of your automations, data capture, and auto replies is something that you can see. I think everyone can look forward to seeing these updates roll out over the next 4 to 8 weeks.
Well, that's exciting. And if you are a current user, you can check out this feature now.
Yes, and for our current users, they can check it out, and if they want additional credits, they can text the word real video to our number, which is 844-285-1815. That's real video to 844-285-1815 to actually claim 1,000 credits just for checking this out. And Anne, what about those who are new to us?
If you are new, we are offering a 60-day free trial with 2,500 credits to test this out. Use the coupon code REALVIDEO during sign-up to unlock this deal. No credit card is required, and there's no obligation to buy. As always, reach out to us if you have any questions or need anything at all. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.